Welcome to Slide Bazaar's PowerPoint for Pros, a video series that will help you become better at PowerPoint. In this video, let's learn how to create a team intro slide in PowerPoint. But before that, check out Slide Bazaar's free PowerPoint add-in to get presentation templates, themes, and other design tools, along with an AI-powered presentation creator. Check out the add-in for free using the link in the description. Anyway, let's move on to the video. This is what our team intro slide will look like. Now, let's start building it. First, right-click the slide and go to Format Background and change the color. Then, insert a rectangle with rounded corners onto the slide like this. And then, in Format Shape, change its color and set line to no line. Let's also add a shadow to the shape and tweak the size and blur of the shadow. Also, make sure to select the shape, go to Shape Format, Align, and click on Align Center and Align Middle. Next, let's add more rectangles with rounded corners and use the little yellow handle to adjust its corners. Change its color and set line to no line as well. Then add a shadow to the shape and fine-tune the settings. Now, let's draw a circle by holding down Shift and place it inside the shape and change the colors and set line as no line. Don't forget to add a shadow as well. This time I'll go with an inner shadow. Now insert a text box, add some text, change the color, and place it inside the circle as shown. And finally, select the text, the circle, and the shape and group them by pressing Ctrl+G. Then hold Ctrl and drag the group to duplicate it until you get 4 of them. Then select them all and go to Arrange, Align, and click on Distribute Vertically to space them out evenly. Now, just like before, add another shape, change its color and outline, and select the shape and its background and go to Align and click on Align Middle. Now that you've created the slide, let's go ahead and duplicate it by selecting the slide on the left and pressing Ctrl+D. Now let's edit the slides to allow smooth morph transition between them. Let's ungroup the shapes and click on the circle and hold Shift and move it towards the left. Repeat this for each slide, but for a different circle as shown. Now, to add an image onto the slide, we need to create a placeholder for it. To do this, copy the circular shape from a slide, go to View and click on Slide Master. Insert a layout and clear the slide by deleting all the placeholders in it. And then paste the circle onto the layout. Then go to Insert Placeholder, Picture, and draw a picture placeholder over the circle. Then click and drag your mouse over both of them to select them and go to Shape Format, Merge Shapes, and select Intersect. Repeat these for each circle while creating a new layout and repeating the steps as shown. And then go to the second slide, right-click, click on Layout, and click the first layout you created. You can see the image placeholder on the slide. Click on it to insert an image. On a side note, you can easily create images like this without a background in PowerPoint. Simply insert your image onto a slide, select it, and go to Picture Format, and click on Remove Background and mark areas to keep, and you're done. Let's go back to the video and add images to all duplicate slides as shown. Once that is done, add the text you need for each team member and change the font to make it look good on your slide. Then finally, select all the slides on the left, go to Transitions, and apply a Morph transition to get something like this. You've just created your team intro slide in PowerPoint. If this video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to check out SlideBazaar's free PowerPoint add-in. The link will be in the description.